kids! Today I'll tell you the story The Honest Ant. One day, an ant found a shiny coin. It couldn't use it, so it gave it to the farmer who dropped it. The farmer smiled and said, "Thank you for your honesty." The ant felt happy because doing the right thing is always good. Moral: always be honest. Let me tell you another story. The Sharing Squirrel. A squirrel had many nuts. One day, her friend, a bird, was hungry. The squirrel shared her nuts. The bird said, "Thank you. Sharing makes us happy." The squirrel smiled and felt warm inside. Moral: sharing is caring. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.